Yeah, so we're doing, something kind of crazy. We had our last day of school yesterday here, 6 through 12, 220 kids. Got 30 staff members, 250 souls hanging around here. We finished at 2:35 yesterday. At 2:40, they took everything down. And we thought, right in the middle of a pandemic, in the middle of the winter, let's move a school in a weekend, and then let's start again on Monday. And that's what we're doing.
Sure, why not?
So that's what's going on.
And then you have regional directors on the back of trucks moving boxes, and you have people moving boxes inside. You have our construction manager who's overseeing the construction of the whole project, and he's putting together furniture, right? And so, ideally we would like it to be a little bit less hectic, but at the same time, I think really what it did give us a picture of anybody who saw that as, wow, this place is all about the kids.
It's gorgeous. It's a modern state-of-the-art facility, and it is beautiful. It's a great place for kids to learn.
Really it's a facility tailored to the needs of the students. And so we have the fine arts students, and we have practice rooms, and we have places for instruments, and we have a dance studio, and we have a black box, and we have just all of these things that all of these students need and want and didn't have at our old facility. And so now we have a place that they can call home. I think if I was going to add something, I think I would just be thank you. There are loads of people who had a huge amount of work associated with this project.
I would say that is one of the greatest assets about being in the school district, is that it's a huge school district. It's a very big,
Sure.
but people care. We're about kids first, and people are here to support. You see what's going on out here, and I'm grateful for that. It's great.